Mindfulness for stress relief. Discover the power of mindfulness for stress relief. It's an age-old practice, yet crucial for our fast-paced lives. Harness the moment, let go of anxieties. Mindfulness invites calmness into your being. Learn to focus on your breath. This simple act reduces stress, increases attention span. Experience the magic of mindfulness meditation. It's an oasis of peace in chaos. Embrace mindfulness, your ultimate stress reliever. A journey of self-discovery awaits you. Start today, reap the benefits of a stress-free life. Mindfulness, your gateway to tranquility. Every day, stress comes at us from all directions. Reducing stress is vital for our well-being, and mindfulness is one powerful tool to manage it. Mindfulness. What does it mean exactly? It's the ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing, not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's happening around us. Let's dive into mindfulness for stress relief. It's about acknowledging the stress, not running away from it. It's about accepting that you're stressed rather than waging a war against it. Did you know? Stress isn't always bad. A little stress can help motivate us, but too much stress can be overwhelming, leading to a host of health problems. So, how does mindfulness help? By taking a mindful approach, we can observe our stress, recognize our patterns, and make conscious decisions about how to respond. Imagine you're caught in traffic. Stress starts to mount. But instead of succumbing to road rage, you take a deep breath, observe your feelings, and accept the situation. That's mindfulness. Now, let's talk about mindfulness techniques. Mindful breathing, body scan, and mindful observation are powerful techniques to reduce stress and increase awareness. Mindful breathing is about focusing on your breath, observing each inhale and exhale, without trying to change it. This simple act can help reduce stress and increase focus. The body scan technique involves paying attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. It helps create a connection between your mind and body. Next is mindful observation. Choose an object and observe it in detail. It could be a flower, a leaf, or even a cup of tea. The idea is to focus on the present moment. In conclusion, mindfulness is a powerful tool for stress relief. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress completely, but about managing it effectively. Start practicing mindfulness today for a healthier and happier life. Embrace mindfulness, embrace a stress-free life. Are you ready to start your journey to a calmer, more present you?